What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Nvidia Corporation with the ticker symbol NVDA. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So let's take a look at the bull and bear case for Nvidia. Well, you see that just about a week or two ago on Friday the 19th, price reached the measurement target. This was all one leg down in the past. And then this was the start of the second leg. The measure move target was met right over here, and that's exactly where price bounced from. So this looks like a failed breakout because obviously price was inside of this yellow range trading sideways, broke out on the bottom, that failed, and now we're seeing price rush back inside the yellow range and continue moving up higher. So again, for the bear case, it looks like they don't really have that much left to use in their toolbox to stop the price. We do have this downward trend line right here that price barely closed outside of, so maybe we might see some rejection Monday, and if price stays below it, then that could obviously lead to lower prices. But as right now, it looks like price is closing outside of it, so that's a good sign for the bulls. So really not much for the bears as of right in the short term. So for the bulls, it looks pretty good because this looks like a failed breakout by the bears, and then price immediately reversed. It got back above the EMA, back inside the yellow channel or the range, and then it looks like we're starting to break this downward trend line. So it looks like the bears are losing the momentum battle. So again, looks like the bulls have much more going for them than the bears. So with that being said, if I could see price reach up towards the 880s, 890s, probably even the 900s, I think there's a clear shot up to the mid 900s and even the high 900s right over here towards the top side of the yellow range, because we saw a breakout on the bottom. Market is generally symmetrical. If we see a breakout on the bottom, we can see a breakout on the top. So it looks like price is going to be rushing up towards the upside. So that's what I'm expecting to occur in the short term. Longer term, we'll have to wait and see. Maybe we'll get a triple top and then price rolls over, or maybe we'll break out for new sustainable all-time highs. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, this is what I can go off of. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price was trying to pull back towards that EMA. Price eventually comes back to it, even if it gets overextended. So eventually comes back to it, just like we topped here. Eventually came very close to it, and now the EMA is basically caught up. Last week was a very bullish week. Looks pretty good. Looking for higher prices. Looking for the 950s, 960s, and then we'll go from there. And as right now, this is looking like a blow off top for Nvidia. So we have this trend line right here, and now we could be starting a steeper trend line right here, as we just saw that bounce off of it. So this looks like it's getting steeper and steeper, and we're probably going to see 4 digits in the coming weeks. Maybe we'll have to wait and see. As right now, this looks pretty good short term, and I'll give you guys an update next week Saturday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.